Hey, where are you going, Habibi? Hey, stop! Your tire is touching the ground. Come on, hey, come on! You're driving a car. Stop, stop! Where is my 10? Who got my 10 here? Some of you guys watching. Oh, that spacer is blocking me. Okay, now let me show you guys another trick in this kind of a situation. When you keep your finger crossed and you believe that this is not gonna snap, it's not gonna damage the piston, let's get another guy who knows how to do the job in right there, and let's see what she got. So you tie this all the way and let it get strong. Oh, that's not a good one. That's not a good one. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Fine. We are locked halfway around the world right now, ladies and gentlemen. So since this one didn't work out, I'm gonna be loosening it out. Now, in order to set this guy here free, I might have to dismantle this compressor completely. So we can know exactly what's going on with it. So the second method gone. She's still not dancing to my tone. She's still not. Get me the key to the product. Oh my goodness, can you guys see this? Seems like there is a very big rust here. Woo. Flip it, just hope. A lot of rust. But I'm certain this is gonna work. I'm still believing it's gonna work. I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna prove it to you guys. Just keep your finger crossed. I'm gonna get it back. I always do. No matter how worse you wanna get, I'm still gonna get it back. So just a moment, guys. Okay, guys, let's continue. Let's see what goes on. That's pure tire spoiling there. So since the method one didn't work out, getting this out. I don't want it to damage, so we're gonna take it out very carefully. Okay, keep it aside. Wow, look at it right there. I've got a lot of rust right there. So give me my guy. Where is that guy? Okay. It's gonna take time. Scratch this out. You don't want to mess with here. If you do, just throw this compressor away, trash it, and get another. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one right now, I think this one is ready. to drink Pepsi or Coca-Cola, whichever one he chooses. Okay. If after this process, if it doesn't come back to life, I guess you guys know what it is, right? So this is the second one. Get these things off. A lot of rust on it. Don't know if you can see it. This is like digging someone who is dead out of this graveyard, out of the cemetery, and trying to breathe some air into his nostril and tell him to come back to life. Okay. Take some Pepsi, buddy, and calm down. No one made a deal with God to live forever, so we are gonna die anyway. So just relax your mind. You know, I wasn't the one that caused you this problem. I wasn't the one. So you gotta pretend like we never had this kind of conversation. Give me what I want, I give you what you want, and everybody wins. How about that, huh? Why so serious? Okay, keep this one aside. Is there any other one we wanna keep aside along those axes? Okay, let me see this guy here. Keep this one aside. Don't miss the pins. Don't pin the me's. One of them fall inside here. You can see that. So don't miss it. It's important. Now what I'm gonna do here is, in order to prove to you guys that I'm gonna get it working, so I'm gonna get it working. And I'll prove it to you that I'll get it working. And I'm done. So let me try to see if I'm gonna finish up the video because it's already 6 p.m. down here. Okay. You know that go 4, go 3 along this side of the door. Driver, they give my car even on way golden brush the cannon. Okay, so we're still on it. We're not out of the woodwork yet. But what are the key, you know? So keep this one aside. Oh, got a lot of rust again to deal with. Okay. Just want it to be smooth to some certain degrees. I'm even brushing all this. I don't even know if this compressor is gonna wake up. There's so many rust in here. Okay, it's a little bit decent right now. Now come for this one here. For the naughty minds, I know what you're thinking. Oh shit. Okay, so this one is good. Get the next one. Perhaps that's the best way. That's clean. Put it there. So this is gonna be like a whole walkthrough. No compromise. Yeah, this is not easy. I wonder about those kind of people who give ladies who give blowjob. How does it feel? Sorry guys, I'm just pulling your legs. It's more like giving the compressor a blowjob. Sure. I know most of you naughty minds are not gonna stop thinking about it when you're seeing this motion. You understand a lot of things about motion, don't you? Okay. Yeah. You know, odd situation brings other. There is no light right now, else I should be using this to clean this guy up. I want it to be as clean as inside here. But even though if I can't get it that clean, at least it's doing the job on the inside where I never thought possible. So sometimes most of those things that I shop through AliExpress, they do help. Though if I get it into my rotary ball right now, it's going to destroy the brush, because Chinese, you can't trust Chinese man with a quality thing. No, no, no. Will it work? Will it still work? That's the question. Will it still work? I am confident it's gonna work. So let me get back to the main guy and see if we're gonna renegotiate. Someone said that the Biafran actualization cessation is not negotiable. Nigerian unity is not negotiable. Wow, are you serious about that? You don't force people into by forced marriage. Anybody who want to go, they decide to go. Even your kids, if they say, come on, get it some Pepsi. Damn. No matter how I caress her, she still wouldn't give up that. She still wouldn't give up that, would you? More. It's like someone is pissing on this compressor right now. That's why I don't like rebuilding compressor for, if you're not my returning customer, no. It's hard because there is a lot of work right there. The time you're seeing right now on this whole thing, there is no any manipulation, there is none outside the camera, so you can see already. Okay, we got this shine guy here. Got it there. Okay. put this one again. Okay. So many parts to be cleaned up. This one did not rust. This one is rust free. There was something that coated it with that made it to be rust free. But aside that, I'm still going to wash it because I've left it here and some dirt. And you don't need to use iron brush on this one here. If you do, go ahead. Piece on it. Okay. If you do, you're gonna regret you did. Okay.